Here's how to fix Steam won't log in with correct email and password. First, open an internet browser and check whether the Steam servers are currently online. To do this, open up your internet browser and search for Steam servers. Go to the official Steam server website. As you can see, everything is online and working here. However, if there are any server problems or ongoing maintenance, they'll be shown on this website. If Steam is experiencing server issues, that could be the reason you're unable to log in. In that situation, you may simply need to wait until Steam resolves the server problem. This usually shouldn't take more than an hour or two. If the Steam servers are operating normally, close the browser and open the Start menu. Search for Settings and open it. Now select Time and Language. Under Date and Time, make sure Set Time Zone automatically is turned on. After that, select Network and Internet from the left-hand side. Go to VPN and make sure your VPN is disconnected. Once that's done, close the Settings window and open the Start menu again. Search for Steam, but instead of opening it normally, right-click the Steam application and select Run as Administrator. Now try signing into your Steam account again to see whether the problem has been resolved. If you're still unable to log in, the next thing we'll check is your firewall settings. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Open Windows Defender Firewall, and from the left-hand side, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Next, click Change Settings so you can make changes to the list. Scroll all the way down and look for Steam. Make sure Steam is listed here, and also make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If Steam isn't listed, for example, if I remove Steam from here, once it is removed, you can add it manually. Click Allow another app and then select Browse. Here, you have to locate your Steam app. If you're not sure where Steam is installed, close this window temporarily and return to the Start menu. Search for Steam, right-click the Steam application, and select Open File Location. At the top of the window, select the file path and copy it. Now return to the firewall settings and paste the path you copied to locate the Steam file. Select Steam from the list and click Add. Steam should now appear in the Allowed Applications list. Make sure both private and public are checked, and then click OK. Try logging into Steam again to see whether the issue has been fixed. If you're still having trouble, open the Start menu and search for Run. Open the Run application and type %, local app data %, then press Enter. A folder will open. Scroll down until you find the Steam folder. Right-click the Steam folder and select the trash icon to delete it. If Windows doesn't allow you to delete the folder, Steam is probably still running in the background. Make sure Steam is completely closed and then try deleting the folder again. Once that's done, try opening Steam and logging into your account again. If the problem continues, there's one final solution you can try. Open the Start menu and search for Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs. Scroll through the installed applications until you find Steam. Click the three dots next to Steam and select Uninstall. Once Steam has been completely uninstalled, open an internet browser and go to the official Steam website. From there, download and reinstall Steam on your computer. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.